And I got the cream, I got the cookie, and I got the cream. When we step in the place, all them gal gon' scream.
I like the chocolate and I like the cream. I like the chocolate and I like the cream. I like the chocolate and
Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello High for another great cannabis recipe. Now today I'm showing you how to make chocolate turtles, and the infusion is going to be caramel, and I'm using Canna butter for this infusion. Now, if you don't like chocolate or you just don't like chocolate turtles, you can always use the caramel infusion for something like cinnamon rolls or caramel nut cookies. The possibilities are endless. But today I'm showing you how to make chocolate turtles. And of course, I have to show you that in this recipe, you'll see me using the Hello High spatulas, which you can get on the website or on Amazon.com. They're on sale for the next 2 weeks. So pick them up as soon as you can before they go off sale. And you can also pick up the Hello High Ultra Infuser, and that will also be on sale for the next 2 weeks for a very, very low price of $1.99. And if you want, you can also get, there's a bundle deal on Amazon as well, where you get the spatulas and the infuser for $2.10, I believe, $2.10.99. But either way, it's a steal. So go ahead and purchase your Hello High infuser. That's how I make all of my infusions, my oils, my butter, my honey, and my tincture. Now that is very important because the Hello High infuser is the only infuser on the market that is safe to make alcohol tinctures. And if you make tinctures or you like tinctures, I would say purchase it because it's the only one that's safe to do so. So with that being said, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need pecans, chocolate candy coating or morsels, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, sweetened condensed milk, light brown sugar, vanilla extract, a little bit of sea salt, and that good old Canna butter. Let's start by roasting the pecans. Now add 2